Hi, this is John with Designer Appliances. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly what a dishwasher drawer is and how it can make your life easier. Every day, we help customers find the right appliances for their kitchen and lifestyle. Today, we're going to talk about dishwasher drawers and why you should consider getting one for your kitchen. If you have no idea what a dishwasher drawer is, we don't blame you. Dishwasher drawers are relatively new to the appliance market. Fisher & Paykel invented the dish drawer with its first consumer release in 1998. After a few hiccups with quality and service, Fisher & Paykel dish drawers are now incredibly reliable and efficient and boast some really great features. So why should you consider a dishwasher drawer? Number one, if saving space is a must. One of the most popular reasons why people choose a dishwasher drawer in the first place is because they're looking to maximize the use of space in the kitchen. When you open the door in a traditional dishwasher, it sticks out about 21 inches. If you have a small galley kitchen, these 21 inches inhibit your functionality by blocking pathways and other cabinets, especially if you're emptying the bottom rack. When you open a dishwasher drawer, you can control how far out it goes and still have access to loading and unloading your dishes comfortably. Number two, if you value versatility. With dishwasher drawers, you have multiple design and installation options. You can get a full-size 2-drawer unit, a single drawer, or place 2 drawers next to each other. Besides installation options, dishwasher drawers also give you the capability of 2 dishwashers in one. For example, if you entertain a lot, we've seen customers serve appetizers and drinks and fill one drawer and then fill the other drawer with pots and pans after dinner's been served. Then after dinner, unload the appetizer drawer and fill it with dinner plates. Gone are the days of hand washing dishes when everyone's left because there's no extra room in the dishwasher. Number three, if energy efficiency is important to you. If you feel guilty wasting energy and water running a half-empty dishwasher, that's a thing of the past with dishwasher drawers. Even though a lot of modern dishwashers have energy-efficient cycles, the ability to run a true half-load with maximum cleaning power may put your mind at ease. On to number four, you appreciate low noise. Fisher & Paykel has designed their dishwasher drawers to be extremely quiet at or below 45 decibels, which, if you've watched our quietest dishwasher video, is the ideal and most consumer-accepted decibel level for standard dishwashers. With dishwasher drawers, you're not sacrificing a quiet noise level because the water pump and drain pump, usually the loudest parts of a dishwasher, are engineered to run very quiet, if not quieter than regular dishwashers. Also, Fisher & Paykel choose to make their dishwasher drawer interior out of custom molded plastic instead of stainless steel. The reason for this is they found that water bouncing off of stainless steel is actually louder than water bouncing off of plastic in a drawer setting. And lastly, number five, you like great service and warranties. In the last 10 years, Fisher & Paykel have totally revamped the way their dishwashers are engineered and eliminated the quality issues that plagued their brand when it first launched. They also offer a best-in-class free 5-year parts and labor extended warranty on all of their dishwasher models. So, which unit should you choose, a double drawer or a single drawer? Both come in standard height, tall tub with water softener, or panel ready, and in some regions, wide. In general, single drawers will allow you to have extra cabinet space underneath the dishwasher drawer. Double drawers will allow you to run each drawer independently to save you valuable sink and countertop space. So if you think a Fisher & Paykel dish drawer is right for you, head over to our website where we have in-depth dimensions and product recommendations. We hope you found this video helpful. At Designer Appliances, we think dishwasher drawers are extremely versatile and offer functionality you just can't get with a traditional dishwasher. As always though, it comes down to personal preference. If you have any questions about purchasing the perfect dishwasher drawer for your home, comment below or give us a call, browse our website, or visit one of our showrooms in Bedminster or Montclair, New Jersey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.